Here is a wonderful 2018 Jeep Compass. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.